Good Sunday morning, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith, taking a look at the observations this morning. Have some rain showers now working their way off of eastern New Jersey, Connecticut, here and into the ocean. Temperatures this morning are generally running in the upper 60s to right around 70 or so. Winds are a little gusty right along the immediate coast, but they're lighter as you head inland. And we do have a couple of watches and warnings, of course. These are small craft advisories, and they are in effect from 6 a.m. this morning until about 6 a.m. tomorrow morning on the Jersey shoreline. Southwest winds at 15 to 25 knots, gust up to 30, seas 4 to 6 feet. On the east end of Long Island for New York City and Long Island and the Long Island Sound again until noon tomorrow on Monday. And this is for southwest winds at 10 to 20 knots, gusting up to 30, and seas about 4 to 7 feet. Not a lot of rainfall in the past 12 hours here. Maybe a shower here. Let's look at this. Maybe a shower here in Hackettstown, producing 0.22 of an inch. Most areas are almost nearly nothing here over the last 12 hours. Taking a look at the current air temperatures around the region without all of the other stuff on it, upper 60s to low 70s. That looks good. Dew point temperatures are probably going to be quite moist as well. It's still a little bit more comfortable in the low to mid 60s. That's not bad. And that makes the relative humidity values this morning probably close to about 95–100%, and we can see that right here. Once again, a look at this morning's regional temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s across the area. 24-hour temperature difference, well, that's not showing up. A little bit of fog out there this morning. It's not terrible. General visibilities are better than 10 miles, but there's a few spots here that have lower visibilities as a result of cloud cover and some rain as well. That has moved through, or is moving through. Taking you back on the low-level water vapor imagery as this warm front slowly moves through the region. I know it's strange to see this like this, but this is actually some drier air up in here that's working into northwestern New Jersey. So it's not going to be a completely bad day here. We have a lot of cloud cover here and associated with this. And if we dial this back with the composite radar, here's our first wave moving off the coast right now. And there's some shower and thunderstorm activity back to the southwest. In between morning satellite coming up, there's some high clouds, some low clouds, and some around the region this morning, but there's some breaks in the cloud cover that is noted here. Let's take a look at the shortwave imagery. Shortwave. Pull this up here. Here's breaks in the action here out in Pennsylvania, and let's probably do a couple of things here. Let's do the RAP mesoscale analysis. Here is a couple of vortmaxes that are working their way through the area as this warm front makes its way north. Notice aloft here at 500 millibars, the winds are all out of the northwest, and that's the reason why you're seeing this look this way. But the surface streamlines are in the opposite direction. They're from the south and southwest, and the cold front's all the way back through here. Warm front somewhere up in here across the New York State area. I'll take a look at the surface chart right now and see if we can pull this up. Yeah, there's the warm front here. There's the cold front back in here. Another interesting thing on the GOES derived satellites this morning as the rain and shower activity is exiting first this morning before another batch rolls in. We have a lot of smoke in the atmosphere that is building up across the Great Lakes, Pennsylvania. Yeah, believe it or not, the forest fires are still raging out west, and they're still providing smoke in the atmosphere. Love to look at the simple water vapor channel here. This is at all levels of the atmosphere. Northwest flow aloft with a warm front clearing here, devoid of moisture here over northwestern and northern central Pennsylvania, and even parts of northwestern New Jersey starting to dry out here. But this is going to kind of like wash out a little bit. We'll get into that in just a moment. Want to get into the HRR 1 kilometer reflectivity. Here's the rain showers here moving off the coast this morning. And again, this afternoon, there's going to be more showers and thunderstorms dropping down through the Hudson River Valley area, the Mount Pocono area. Last night, I'm sure it was okay at the Balloon Festival. Not sure if everything's going well for launch this morning at sunrise. And again, this evening, that's questionable too. We'll see. We'll see. That may turn out to be okay in between, but there are going to be some showers and thunderstorms around the region from late this afternoon, dropping in from the northwest and diving southeast towards the coast. New York City, JFK, Newark, yeah, you're getting in on this. Yeah. Next thing I want to do is look at the water vapor channel here. There's still a lot of available moisture in the atmosphere here when we look at the latest HRR guidance here. And it's enough to produce some showers and thunderstorms here in the yellows and reds as we head into this afternoon and this evening, especially from Newark to New York City, Connecticut here, dropping down south to the coast too. Yeah. So if you thought it's going to be a great beach day, it's probably not. Probably not. And again, another reason why I'm not there again. Here comes some drier air by late tonight, early tomorrow morning across the Poconos and New York here. And still quite a lot of leftover vestiges of shower and thunderstorm activity on late tonight over the southeast coast of Jersey. Again, this morning you don't have to worry about lightning, but you will this afternoon if you are in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley area, Connecticut, dropping down into New York City, Long Island, and parts of Connecticut, and the shorelines as well. Monmouth and Ocean County, look out. And then further south too, into the evening hours here, as we have lightning strikes here that are showing up. Convective available potential energy, well, that is not so good this morning, but that doesn't matter because by this afternoon, as the skies clear and there's partial sunshine and heating during the afternoon hours with our solar insolation here, there's going to be CAPE values running above 2,000 joules per kilogram starting out in the Hudson River Valley area, northwestern New Jersey, the Poconos here, and then boom, here comes your thunderstorms. Really not looking for a whole lot of rain from these showers and thunderstorms, but you can get a half of an inch or more in some of these discrete higher cells here, especially over Long Island, down around the coastline here in Monmouth and Ocean County. It's possible some of these thunderstorms will pack a wallop. We'll get to your shore points in a moment, but there's a lot of cloud cover around the area. But that cloud cover is going to break up during the afternoon across Pennsylvania and northwestern New Jersey, where the shower and thunderstorm activity is first going to initiate this afternoon. And notice the cloud cover is about 20 to 30%, where it's still high right along the coast, so not a great day. Any kind of clearing around the coast is going to be very limited today, unless you're around Cape May or so, but if you're not, then, you know, well, even then. And by the afternoon hours, as the sunshine comes out and you're at the beach, look out for those showers and thunderstorms because they're going to be moving into the area. Yeah. Certain areas are going to see them and certain areas won't, but when you do, you'll know. Take cover. Also, any smoke that's out there this morning or drifting in from the northwest to the southeast will be going bye-bye as the cold front draws near and the showers and thunderstorms rake the area late this afternoon and evening, and that makes the smoke, in milligrams per meter squared, disappear. And first of all, if you're out on the water today in New Jersey, and that means the beaches as well here, whether you're surfing or whether you're swimming or whether you're boating, there's a moderate risk of rip currents. And all the New York waters here from, let's say, New York City all the way out, there's a high risk for today. Probably want to hone in on some beach forecasts for you right now. We'll do that right now. Take a look at Sandy Hook. Sandy Hook, again, 40% this morning, 30% this afternoon. Chance of showers and a thunderstorm, then breezy, also 81. Ultraviolet index is high, obviously. Rip current risk is moderate. Water temperatures are in the mid-70s. Going to the beach tomorrow, much more pleasant. Partly sunny, 84 degrees. Still the same kind of conditions with the ultraviolet index, and the rip current risk is going to be high. So be careful out there. Yeah. Seaside Heights, same kind of situation. Nothing here. Nothing has changed. So if you're out on the waters today, well, be careful. Mid-70s. Never swim near reefs, jets, or piers. Always swim near lifeguarded areas. Long Island, New York. Be careful out there.